Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2017 Challenger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Trial, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, HD radio, integrated center stack radio, media hub, 2 USB, and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.